or take a bath, or go to sleep.
I just wanna watch TV and eat a lot of chocolate ice cream. Wanna play my video games
And hide and seek, and Simon Says. I don't wanna, no, no way. I'm not gonna, no, not today.
Hey!
No way!
I don't wanna pack my lunch. I don't wanna do my homework.
I don't wanna go to school, or sit in class, or read a book.
I just wanna sit and dream of traveling to Mars or Venus.
I wanna make believe that I can fly like birds above the clouds. I don't wanna, no, no way. I'm not gonna, no, not today.
What?
Oh no! I don't wanna share my toys. I don't want a babysitter. I don't wanna wash my face, or eat my veggies, or brush my hair.
I just wanna text my friends and listen to my favorite music,
Or go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters there. I don't wanna, no, no way. I'm not gonna, no, not today.
So, have you gotten it out of your system?
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Dad.
we will try to do what you ask us to do.
Come here. Let's get you guys to bed. It's a school day tomorrow.